Jump ball nakuha ni 12. Pass to Vergara. Vergara. Chill na chill lang. Dribbling the ball. Vergara. Surveying the floor. Pinasa kay Valdivia. No good. Rebound by Celio. To Rivera. Rivera. Tinawid ang bola. Rivera. Sa gitna pinasa. Binigay kay Zamoranos. Zamoranos. Pinasa kay Lee. Lee number 9. Sumibat. No good. Out of bounds. Sunny Coffee Mixers ball. Vergara. Tinawid ang bola. Tumukol ng press. Vergara. No good. To Juno. To Donjay. Donjay, relax lang daw. To Donjay. To Daryl. Tumukol ng press. No good. Vergara. Vergara. Tumigot. Vergara. 4-2. Wala pa rin. 0-0 pa rin ang ating score. Rivera. To Daryl. Easy basket. Using the board. Wait. Alex. To 12. Back to Alex. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nope. To Daryl. Daryl number 2. To Rivera. Rivera. To Lee. Lee. Number 2. Easy basket. Favorite shot by Tito Lee. Alex. To 12 for 3. No good. Donjay. Inbounding. To Daryl. Daryl. To Rivera. Back to Donjay. Donjay. Tumukol ng boss. Easy basket. Walang babay. Chill na chill pa rin ho ang Sammy Coffee Mixers. Pinasa kay Kuya Jordan. Kuya Jordan. No good. To Daryl. Daryl, nag-aantay. Back to Lee. Lee. No good. Rebound. Nag-aagawan. Nakuha ni Alex. Alex. Inatawid ang bola. Pinasa kay Saldivia. Saldivia, no good. To Rivera. Rivera for 3. No good. Rebound by Alex. Alex again. Alex. Dire-diretso Alex. No good. Rebound by Juno. No. No good. Number 2 by Kuya Jordan. Kuya Shell. Barry to Donjay. To Celio.
Nice. 7-3.
It's a foul. First personal foul.
Alright.
Team foul. Donjay, 3. It's a bad pass by Formula Shell. Stanley ball. Alex. To Bob. Bob dumidiskarte. Back to Alex. Alex. Smooth lang. No good. To Van. To Rivera. Rivera. Sumugod. Rivera. Number 2. Easy. Easy. Alex. Dribbling to the left. To 12. To Zaldiva. No good. Rebound by Van. Binigay kay Rivera. Rivera to Donjay. Donjay. Binigay kay Daryl for 3. Daryl, no good. Rebound by Alex. Alex again. Alex. Dumiretso. Alex. It's a foul. Bahain. Vergara, Alan Vergara in. Dabar in. Gatpandag in. Alex, for 2. Second roll, no good. Alex for 3. No good. Kyle, ayaw habulin ni Kyle yung bola. Inaantok pa. To Kyle. Kyle. To Reyes. Reyes. Short. Alan. Inagawa ng kapatid. Vergara. Vergara. Sugat Pandan. Kyle. Back to Alex. To Alex. Back to Kyle. By number 10. No good. Number 22. Rivera. Yo. Easy basket. Shout out kay Tito Pat, nakatambay lang, nakabike. Parang board. Rebound by Alan. Alan binigay kay Martin. Ay, kay Rivera. Alan again. Easy basket by Tito Alan. Vergara, 35. Pinasa kay Gatpandan. Gatpandan, no good. Donjay, pinawin ang bola. Palmado lang. Donjay, to Van. To Marvin. For 3, Marvin. No good. Malamig pa. To Alex. Alex. Floater. No good. Datar. Alex inbounding. To Sugat, number 10. To Alex again. Time remaining 2 minutes and 48 seconds. 12-2 in favor of Fairville FM. To Gatpandan. To Reyes. Datar, libre. Datar, short. To Alex. Alex. Good for 2. Rivera. Palmado naglalakad. Tinawid ang bola. Pass to Baha. Baha for 3. No good. To Gatpandan. Gatpandan number 7. Dribbling the ball. Gatpandan. To Reyes. Reyes number 14. Intercepted. Back to Baha. To Rivera. Rivera. Nawawala ang bola. Nasaan niya ulit? Rivera for 3. Rivera. No good. Rebound by Gatpandan. To Vergara. Vergara for 2. No good. Rebound by Donjay. Donjay sa Muranos. Number 22 to number 28. No good. Alex. May kasama pang Dila. Alex. Drop pass to the par. The par faking. The par turn around. The par good for 2. One minute and 22 seconds remaining. Baha. To Rivera. To Baha for 3. It's a short. Out of bounds. Sammy Coffee Mixers. Ang bola. Sakto, 1 minuto na lang ang nalalabis first quarter. Number 10. To Datar. To Reyes. Reyes, no good. Rebound by Vergara. To Rivera. Rivera. Dumibistarde. 40 seconds. 16 to shoot. Good for 2 by Donjay. Gatpandan. Nag-cross over. Binabantayan ni Baha. To Reyes. Reyes back to Alex. Alex. Penetrating. It's a foul. First throw is booked by Alex. Jumpers ready. Second throw. 15 seconds. Second throw is good. 15 seconds remaining. Out of bounds. 10 seconds. To Alex. Alex. To Kyle. To the fire. For free. No good. Rebound by Alan. Alan. Crossover. Binigay kay Baha. Baha. Tumira ng boost. For second quarter. Green ball. Shout out kay Tito Edison. Kung ngayon ko lang maghahabunan. Gatang ball. Sulabing talaga. Number 2. Alan. Contact. Easy basket. Kyle, bigay sa gitna. Kuya Jordan. Easy. 2 points. Piso-piso lang by Kuya Jordan. Daryl. Bumidiskarte. Daryl. Hinawakan ng bola. To number 18 for 3. Number 18. No good. Kanina ko naman ang bola. Kay Kyle. Kyle. Kalmado lang. To Bob. Bob to Kyle. To Zaldivia for 2. No good. 14 to shoot. Apat lang ang kalamangan. Tabing dalawa for 3. No good. Rivera. Pass to Ray. Ray number 18. Naawat. It's a clean block by Kyle.
Bola. Hey, galaw kayo.
Rivera inbounding. Throwing. Throwing by Ray. Timing coffee mixers. Kyle. Floater. Good for 2. 16-14. To Daryl. For 2. 14. Wala. To Bob. Relax lang daw. Sabi ni Bob. To Kyle. Kuya Jordan. Nasa gitna. Kuya Jordan. Libre. Piso. Dalawa. 16 all na ho. Ganun lang. Lee? No good. 16 all. Kyle? Nasa gitna ulit. Kyle, floater. Wala. Rebound by Bob. Out of bounds. Sixers. To Kyle. Kyle for 3. Kyle, no good. Kuha ni Bob. Number 18. Nag-aagawan ng bola. Number 18. Nakuha ni Lee. James. Easy basket. No good. Number 22. Nakuha ni Kyle. Out of bounds and Stanley Coffee Mixers. 16 all. Tabing dalawa. Back to Kyle. Bob. To Rivera. Crossover. Rivera. Dire-diretso. No good. Rebound by Alan. Good for 2. Power move by Alan. Bob. Labing dalawa. Nasa gitna. Floater. No basket. Back ball. 22. Rivera. Easy. 2 points. 2016 ang score. Kyle nasa gitna ng floater. Kyle, no good. Kuya Jordan, rebound. to Rivera, to Daryl. Daryl. No good. To Kyle. Kyle. No basket. Short. Rivera. To Alan. Back to Rivera. Rivera. Inawit ang bola. Rivera sumisipat. To Daryl. Daryl. Bumigisado sa ilalim. Daryl. Pinasa. Nawala. To Saldivan number 11. Binigay kay Bob. Bob. Easy lang si Bob. Number 7. Gatpandan. It's a foul. Alex. Dumil diskarte. To Bob. Back to Alex. Inabot ni Ivan. Intercepted by Ivan. Number 18, Pumula press. Number 18, no good. Saved by Lee. Pinasa Sanmig. Sanmig. Out of bounds. Same ball pa rin. Sanmig. To Dapar. Dapar pumeke. Dapar. No good. To Rivera. Rivera. Nagmamadali. Rivera. Nawala ang bola. Na kay Alex. Kuya Jordan, naghahanap ng baso. Wala na ba tayong baso dyan? Lee. Daryl. Daryl intercepted by Alex. Alex. Penetrating Alex. No good. Rebound by Rivera. Nakuha ni Reyes. To the bar. Nice pass. To number 10. Easy basket. From a beautiful pass. Daryl. Rebound by Dapar. To number 10. Number 10. No good. Deserve na po ang timeout nyo. Wait lang po. Rivera number 2. Side stepping. Easy basket. Bob. Bob. Bob pa rin to Alex. Alex. To Bob. Number 18. Fast break to Daryl. Daryl. Libre. Easy basket. Sika. Number 10. Easy lang. Sikat. Serving the ball. Sikat. Intercepted. Rivera. Rivera nagmamadali. Pinasa. Nawala. Nakuha ni Lee. Nawala ulit. Nakuha ni Reyes. Vergara. Vergara. Drop pass to Bob. To Sikat. No good. To Rivera. Rivera. Good pass. Back to Daryl. Easy basket. Ha?
Akin na! Hey, back out! Nice, pare!
Rivera. Third quarter na ho. Ano na sub? Alex. To Bob. To Reyes. Back to Bob sa gitna. Back to Reyes for 2. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Reyes. Pasa kay Dapar. Dapar. To Alex. Alex sa gitna. Alex. First foul, number 9. Second throw. Jumpers, ready? No good, rebound pa rin ni Alex. Alex. It's a traveling, no basket. 26-18, still in favor of Shell. Daryl. Sabot natin Daryl, nasa gitna. Forward, Daryl wala. Rebound by the par. To Reyes, number 13. Reyes, no good. Reyes ulit. Wala bola. Reset, number 10. Florers, good. Kuha ulit ni Reyes, ni number 10. Nag-aagawan. To Alex. Alex. No good. Remaining. To Bob. Diretso lang. Don J. Nagmamadali. Don J. To Daryl. Easy two. $40 Reyes number 13. Nakagawan. To Daryl. Walang pinasahan. Miscommunication by Lee. And number 2. $28, $20. 30 seconds remaining. Alex, drop pass. Easy basket for Bob. 19 seconds. 15 seconds remaining. Pinasa sa ilalim, Borge. It's a foul. Together down. First personal foul. First team foul.
Last break.
First throw is good. Number 97.
Depensa tayo, lalasan sila pag
Hindi, titira agad ako. Hindi kami lalasyan.
Second throw, no good. Rebound by Alex. 5 seconds remaining. Alex for 3. Alex, no good. Sister company. Third quarter. Kuya Jordan, no good. Number 18. Running the ball, number 18. To Alan. Alan, dumikisap sa post. Alan, to Don J. Don J. To number 18 for 3. Number 18, no good. Rebound by Alan. It's a traveling violation. Alex. To Kyle for 2. No good. Rebound to Don J. Power rebound by Tito Don J. To Rivera. Penetrating Rivera. It's a foul. Blocking foul by number 27. 7. First foul by number 7. Number 11. Pass to Kyle. 2-on-2. Alex ulit. It's a traveling violation by Alex. Seconds, 17 to shoot. 13. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Parehas penalty. First throw is good. Dalawa pa.
Mamaya! Sino kayo?
Five for 2. No good. Meron tayo take dalawang time out. 59, 56. Basket is good.
Mamaya! Kayo! Sa dalawa! Mahal na!
Kaya Ben, 4 points.
End of the ball game. 60-56. Sunday Coffee Mixers.